On this day, communities around the world will mark Glioblastoma Awareness Day, dedicated to increasing public awareness about glioblastoma, the most common and aggressive form of brain cancer. This observance shares its core intent with other health awareness days like World Cancer Day, aiming to educate the public, inspire advocacy, and foster support for those affected. Glioblastoma Awareness Day involves activities such as educational seminars led by healthcare professionals, advocacy events, and fundraising drives to support research and patient care. These events help spread knowledge about the disease, treatment options, and the ongoing research efforts to find a cure. In the workplace, this day can be commemorated by wearing gray ribbons, the symbol for brain cancer awareness, organizing fundraisers, or participating in walks or runs that support brain cancer research. Employers can also invite medical experts to speak to staff about prevention and early detection, enhancing understanding and empathy within the community. Reflective questions to encourage engagement and understanding. How can increased awareness and research contribute to improve outcomes for those diagnosed with glioblastoma? What are the challenges faced by families dealing with a glioblastoma diagnosis, and how can communities provide support? How can we foster a supportive environment in the workplace for colleagues affected by serious illnesses like glioblastoma? Key takeaway: Glioblastoma Awareness Day calls attention to the critical need for research and patient support in the fight against brain cancer. It underscores the importance of community involvement and the powerful impact of collective action in tackling such devastating diseases. As we recognize this important day, let's commit to ongoing support and education, enhancing our collective capacity to address and support those facing health challenges like glioblastoma. This content is part of the Diversity Calendar Kit, offered by Diversity for Social Impact, copyrighted by Diversity for Social Impact.